Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video from Wtf Rc Cars. So today we have got the 2022 version of the Xray XB8e. So this is a four-wheel drive 8th scale race buggy. Let's get this open and see what it comes with. So in the box, as per normal with the Xray vehicles, we get a little certificate. We get one of the nicest manuals that I've known in the business. Really easy to read these, really well set out, and nice to see you get the window stickers with these, as we didn't get anything with the XT8e 22. No body shell or anything, but you get the nice sticker sheet and the window masks. So nice to see we're getting them. We have one really nice aluminium chassis, and I believe on the 22 one they've put chamfers on the edges of these in case your tyres balloon when you're steering, so it doesn't wreck your tyres as quickly. So we also get the body, which is a nice addition, which we didn't get with the XT8e. So we get quite a nice clear shell. We have the shock springs, which are, so we get a set that are 4. I think these are 4-dot. Yeah, they are. And so it looks like they're both 4-dot. The shorter and the longer, so the front and rear. Oil wise, we get some 600 CST, we get some 550 CST, we get 7,000, 3,000, and we also get some hoodie graphite grease. You get the plastic or ABS plastic by the looks of it, wing and mount. We have the 2 chassis side rails. We get the nice thick threaded aluminium shock bodies. They do come with the gaiters for the shocks, and aluminium tops with a little bleeder hole in them, and they are plastic bottoms. We do get a whole array of the actual dampers, so you've got different holes by the looks of it, so you can adjust your suspension. You get a really nice motor mount, and I believe they've redesigned some of that for this year. We'll have to have a look as we work our way through it. We've got the bag with the diff in, and these are composite bodies for the diffs, 46 tooth looks like for both front and rear diff, and you get the diff gaskets with it, and you get a separate bag of shims as well. Then we've got the centre diff. I'm not sure if this is redesigned, but it looks quite large. See if we can see what tooth, and it's a 46 tooth spur gear for this as well. We get the serrated wheel nuts and shock mounts, and I'm not sure why they still do this, but you get the plastic servo horns. I did try the plastic servo horn just to see how long it would last on the XT8e, and I think it were about 3 laps before, and it wasn't even in a crash, it just sheared off and stopped working. And we get the longer shocks, and you also get the little dome mounts for the top of the shocks, and again we get a whole bunch of different dampers. I'm not sure if it's a different number of holes or a different diameter hole. It's hard to tell from just looking at them. There's not that much difference between them, and it looks like it can have the same battery configuration as the XT8e. And I believe the servo mount, when you have it in this configuration with the twin batteries, one either side, I believe the servo mount has been modified and has got slightly more meat around it this year. So that's one of the upgrades. We do get a whole bag of bearings. And you've got some, it's usually the outer ones that are rubber sealed. We've got the hoodie spring seal drive shafts. It looks like pretty much everything what I'm used to seeing. We've got the arms, and it does come out the box. It comes with the pill ball style steering hubs, and you can swap that to the C-type hubs if you like. And I believe for the 22 one, I think the actual sort of the steering plate, I believe that's been redesigned as well. It does mention something online about the extra hole to allow you to move the brace. I believe that's what it's for. Little bag of screws. Rest at steering arms. And 2 of these bags are open, so I'm really hoping we haven't lost any parts out of this. There's nothing rattling around in box. But that's that bag's open, and I think that one's cut as well. So we do get the other set of arms and the rear front aluminum brackets where you mount your little pills. So we've got front rear and rear in that one. And then finally we've got a bunch of little shims and the diff casings, it looks like, and some more drive shafts. And what looks like a really nice carbon fibre shock tower. Can't see another one in there. That is a really thick, meaty shock tower though. But that's everything we get in the box. So let's wrap this one up. Right, so there you have it. Everything you get in box is nice to see on this one. We at least get a body shell with it. Strangely, no wheels with it. So, if I remember rightly, the 2020 XB4 that we've got, that one, that came with a body shell, wheels but no tyres. The XT8E22 down here, that came with no body shell, wheels or tyres. And the 2022 XB8e comes with a body shell but no wheels or tyres. So, not a deal of consistency there, X-Ray. What gives? Why do we do it this way? Kind of get the thing with wheels. Most people have got their own preferred wheels and tyres, so it does make sense. Would have been nice to get a body shell with the XT8E22 though, because it were around about the same price as this, and this is a 1/8 scale buggy, so you do get a body with it. And it's quite a nice looking body and quite a nice feel. Nice touch that you get the window mask with it as well. But I will be doing a full build log on this, so if you're interested in that and you want to be bored stiff listening to me for a good number of hours, which it usually takes to build these things, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.